Hello everyone, Hassan here. For ages, I thought finding my face shape was just a guessing game, looking in the mirror or trying to decipher complicated measurements. It's often hard to be sure, right? Today, I want to show you how AI offers a much smarter way, clear, reliable insights about your face shape from just a simple photo. My goal, as always at AllAboutAI, is to help things click for you. So let's dive in. In this video, we'll quickly cover how AI accurately finds your face shape, why it's more reliable than old methods, and crucial things to consider like privacy. So, what defines a face shape? It's simply the overall structure and outline of your face, determined by features like your forehead, cheekbones, jawline, and chin. Think oval, round, square, heart, diamond, and oblong, each with unique proportions. Traditionally, people try to figure this out by looking in a mirror or tracing their outline. But these methods are often subjective, leading to inconsistent results. This is where AI excels. AI tools quickly and objectively analyze many facial landmarks, often around 64 key points, giving you far more consistent and accurate results than any manual approach. Ready to try it yourself? Using AI for face shape detection is surprisingly easy. All you need is a clear photo and an AI-powered tool. Here's how. 1. Take a clear photo. Face the camera directly in good natural lighting without heavy shadows. Pull your hair back and remove glasses or accessories so your face outline is visible. Keep your face centered and straight. 2. Upload the photo. Open your chosen AI tool and upload your picture. 3. AI scans your features. The tool detects landmarks like your jawline, forehead, and cheekbones. 4. Proportions are analyzed. Your facial measurements are then compared against patterns for different face shapes. 5. Get your result instantly. The AI classifies your face shape, usually in seconds. 6. Apply the insights. Use this information to guide choices in hairstyles, glasses, or makeup that suit you best. From my own tests on 6 platforms, Face Shape Analyzer consistently stood out for its precision, always identifying my face shape as oval and providing detailed measurements. The benefits of AI face shape analysis go beyond speed and accuracy. Imagine getting personalized recommendations for hairstyles, glasses, or makeup. It's incredibly convenient and widely accessible, putting professional-level insights right at your fingertips. Beyond beauty, this technology is impacting other fields. In healthcare, AI-driven 3D face mapping improves precision for cosmetic procedures. Fashion and eyewear brands use it for virtual try-ons, helping you find the perfect frames. Even social media platforms use AI-driven face mesh for real-time AR filters that perfectly align with your face. The future, as we predict at AllAboutAI, will bring even more hyper-personalized insights across beauty, wellness, and health, moving far beyond just round or oval classifications. Now, while AI is powerful, it's vital to be aware of its limitations. One big concern is dataset bias. Studies show some AI tools perform inconsistently across different skin tones or genders if their training data wasn't diverse. For example, one study found error rates up to 35% for darker-skinned women, compared to under 1% for lighter-skinned men. Then there's privacy. Many tools require you to upload photos to cloud servers, which creates risks like data breaches or unauthorized tracking. Your biometric data, your face, can't be easily changed if compromised. My advice: always check if a tool offers on-device processing, meaning your photos aren't uploaded externally, and always read its privacy policy before you upload. It's a crucial step to protect yourself. Despite these considerations, understanding how to use AI to determine face shapes really opens up a world of possibilities. It provides personalized information that can genuinely improve your daily choices, whether you're considering a new hairstyle, the perfect pair of glasses, or simply wanting to understand your unique features better. I hope this has made the process of using AI for face shape analysis much clearer for you. Have you tried any AI face shape tools yourself? I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and stay up to date with all things AI with us here at AllAboutAI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.